What's something people don't know about Sony's Bravia TVs? They're celebrating 20 years of innovation, celebrating 20 years of top-notch tech. Sony's Bravia line is back with not one, but 3 new models. Leading the pack is the Bravia 8 II, a QD-OLED marvel that's brighter, more colorful, and smarter than ever. With the XR processor and XR Triluminos Max, you'll see colors pop and details shine. Plus, its acoustic surface audio plus makes sound follow the action. Next up, the Bravia 5. This mini LED dynamo delivers cinema-like contrast and precise local dimming with the XR backlight master drive. Sizes range from 55 to a whopping 98 inches. And for those on a budget, meet the Bravia 210. It's an entry-level gem with 4K upscaling and studio-calibrated mode, giving you premium quality without breaking the bank. All models come with Dolby Vision support and Google TV built-in. So whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just love binge-watching, Sony's got the perfect screen for you. Stay tuned for pricing and availability coming this spring. Upgrade your reality with Sony Bravia.